In a world of concrete jungles and digital screens, we've become more disconnected from the earth than ever before. We spend our days in offices, our evenings in high-rise apartments, and our nights bathed in artificial light. But what if the solution to a silent health crisis was right beneath our feet? What if a simple, free practice could be a powerful key to unlocking better health and reducing the chronic inflammation that plagues modern society? This isn't just a new age wellness trend. This is a return to our roots, a practice called grounding or earthing, and the science behind it is as profound as it is simple. To understand grounding, we need to think about basic physics. The Earth holds a subtle, natural negative electrical charge, a constant supply of free electrons thanks to phenomena like lightning strikes. Meanwhile, our bodies, living in an environment saturated with electromagnetic fields and dealing with metabolic processes, tend to build up a surplus of positive charge. This imbalance is largely driven by free radicals, unstable molecules that cause cellular damage and are a primary driver of chronic inflammation. When you make direct skin contact with the Earth's surface, a fascinating transfer occurs. Simple animations can show this beautifully. Electrons from the ground flow into your body, acting as powerful antioxidants. These electrons seek out and neutralize the positively charged free radicals. It's an elegant biological reset, a process where the Earth itself helps to restore your body's natural electrical balance, calming inflammation at the cellular level, and setting the stage for profound healing. The health benefits that stem from this simple connection are vast and backed by a growing body of research. The most significant is its effect on inflammation and chronic pain. Studies using thermography have visually demonstrated a rapid reduction in inflammation after grounding. Imagine someone who has lived with persistent joint pain finding relief not from a pill, but from simply walking barefoot on the grass. Research has shown measurable decreases in inflammatory markers in the blood, validating these experiences. Beyond pain, grounding has a remarkable impact on our nervous system, helping to shift us out of a chronic fight-or-flight state. This transition helps regulate cortisol, the body's main stress hormone. The result? People who practice grounding often report a dramatic improvement in sleep quality, falling asleep faster and waking up feeling more rested. This hormonal balance also extends to cardiovascular health. Studies have observed that grounding can improve blood viscosity, essentially making the blood less thick and clumpy. This leads to better circulation, improved blood pressure, and a reduced risk of cardiovascular events, all by restoring our natural electrical state. So how can you start practicing grounding yourself? The beauty is in its simplicity. It's about making direct skin-to-earth contact. Find a patch of grass in a park, feel the sand between your toes at the beach, or walk on the damp soil of a forest floor. Even sitting and allowing your bare feet to rest on the ground for 20 to 30 minutes a day can be incredibly effective. The key is removing the insulating barrier of our rubber-soled shoes and allowing our skin to connect directly with the natural, conductive surfaces of the planet. These moments are not just about the physical transfer of electrons. They are an invitation to slow down, breathe, and reconnect with the natural world. Ultimately, the message is as clear as it is powerful. Reconnecting with the Earth is not just a poetic idea, but a scientifically supported biological necessity. In our quest for health and longevity, we often look towards complex technologies and expensive solutions. Yet one of the most potent tools for our well-being is free, accessible, and waiting just outside our door. It's a reminder that we are not separate from nature, but a part of it, and by grounding ourselves, we are simply coming home.